need your help.
Sure. Which craft are we making today?
No time for crafts. I'm participating in a beauty contest, and I need to come up with an artistic act.
Well, you can make a craft.
I can't take the stage for 2 hours. Everyone's going to either sing or dance.
I'm sure no one's gonna make one thing.
Which thing, Sam? Hey, where are you?
Magic.
Oh, you frightened me. You mean magic tricks?
Yep, coin tricks, for example.
Are you sure that'll make me win?
As a true magician, I can see the future, and I see you're gonna win.
Fine, let's go practice a little.
Let's do some magic!
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to show you 10 impressive coin tricks anyone can do.
Yeah, it's gonna be the best performance of the show!
All right, let's get started. The first trick is with a vanishing coin, of course.
I adore vanishing acts. Well, except for Sweet's vanishing.
That's your signature trick, isn't it, Sammy? Okay, we put a coin on the table, cover it with a hand, and begin rubbing it on the table. A little more, and it's gone!
What? But you just rubbed… Wait, is there a hole in the table?
No, Sam, it's our table without any hole. Here's the trick. Every time I make a roundabout with my hand, I move the coin to the table edge. And with the last movement, I carefully throw the coin on my knees.
Sleight of hand.
And no cheating.
If every time someone gives you a coin and you show them this trick, it's rather easy to save up some money. Although, you should give the coin back anyway. A seal coin! Ugh.
Well, not bad, but let me try with my magic wand pen. Vanish!
Merlin's beard, what's your pen made of?
Dragon sinew, phoenix feather, and ink.
Incredible! Is your beauty contest at Hogwarts or what?
Actually, it's very easy. You should pass the coin from one hand to another, being very quick and accurate. Start slowly, and then keep going faster and faster.
It's kinda like levitation.
The pen is just a distraction. The third time you're swishing the pen, throw the coin to the other hand. When the coin's there, all you have to do is take the cap and pretend the coin fell out of it.
Cool, but please don't point me with your pen, just in case.
All right, guys, let's continue. Put your hands on the table, palms up.
And place a coin in one of them?
Right you are, Sammy. And now rapidly turn your hands over. Now, Sammy, where's the coin? Hop.
You just need to catch it and turn the hand over.
Right, Sammy.
Now let me practice a little.
One moment.
And…
Watch carefully. Boom! It's a different coin.
Whoa! Can you transform a coin into $1 too?
No, the secret is in coins and their dimension. Before the trick, I put your coin under mine. You didn't even notice it because yours was smaller. Then you need to master this kind of movement. Once you learn it, one swish of your hand would be enough to switch the coins.
I'm gonna check on my coin box. I'm telekinetic! I can move objects with my mind! Did the cup move a little, or is it just my impression?
Sam, don't strain yourself. Let me show you how to move a coin while being relaxed. Look, put the coin in your hand and… it turns over!
Come on, this time it's not about the sleight of hand!
True, there is a trick. It's this magnet.
You mean I didn't notice the magnet in your other hand?
No, if it was in my other hand, the coin would pop to it. The magnet was under the table. I was holding it with my knee really tight. My hand was above it, but on the table. So under the magnet influence…
the coin turns over!
Here's another quick trick with the coin vanishing in the fist. Whoop. And let's bring it back. Voila!
Is there another magnet somewhere?
No, Sammy, no more magnets. It's sleight of hand.
Do you want to say the coin was in your hand all the time?
Practically. When I put it in my fist, I actually place it on my hand right here.
All right. And then?
After showing my hands are clear, I repeat the actions in reverse order. There, see?
All right, I'm beginning to doubt what's real. I have to think it over.
Well, guys, I have some more cool tricks to show you.
I long for more!
Oh, Sam, you're just in time. I'm making this coin vanish.
I know this.
And reappear in my hand, just out of thin air.
No, I give up. It's simply inexplicable.
It's all about your thumb. In the right moment, you make this movement, and the coin ends up between your fingers. While this hand is covering the one with the coin, we do this, and it seems like there's no coin. Then we just rapidly throw it in the other hand so it seems like it appeared out of thin air. Here's a similar impressive trick. Hop! The coin falls into your hand.
It's raining coins!
Well, I have just one, but even this one vanishes. Here my hands are clear. There are no coins, and now… it's back! What do you say?
Every time, I'm sure it's pure magic. But something tells me…
that it's just sleight of hand, Sammy. The coin falls not from the sky, but from my head! You just need to put it there secretly. Here's the main point of the trick. When we fake taking the coin with one hand, it actually remains here, so we can subtly fix it this way. Easy!
I can do things too, you know. Coins are very interesting, but what about vanishing Sam?
Sam, I can see you moving under that blanket.
It's so muggy in there, how did I do it?
Let's better learn how the last awesome tricks work. I already put 4 coins forming a square. I'm going to teleport all of them with the help of my hands. Here, now they're all next to each other.
No, 4 coins are too much.
Actually, they're not 4.
I knew I'm seeing double.
They're 5, Sammy. First, I covered the 5th coin with my hand and moved it next to this one. Then I moved the other coins using the same strategy. In the end, we've got 4 coins here and the 5th one covered by my hand so no one can see it.
That's a secret additional prop. Smooth.
Of course. All right, guys, ready to see the last coin trick for my contest?
Contest? I already forgot about it.
I did not. So, here's the most incredible.
Nothing can surprise me anymore.
And what about this? Not bad, huh?
Holy Copperfield, you can bend metals with your mind!
Only visually. Actually, I had 2 coins. One simple and one bent. I just switched them.
Well, where did you find the bent coin? Did you craft so much you trained your fingers?
No, I did it with pliers. It's impossible by hand.
I love magic.
Yeah, Sammy, it was fun. Now I have to get mentally prepared for the beauty contest.
You're 1 in a million. This is a bouquet for Miss Congeniality.
Oh, Sam! Thank you. So cute.
You don't need any contest, Sue.
Why not?
Because you are the best.
Oh, thank you, Sammy, but I still want to participate.
Okay.
Sammy, those are my flowers!
They'll be yours when you win the contest.
Sammy, as usual. Guys, give a thumbs up and write in the comments which trick you like the most. Bye-bye! Oops!